What's up guys, my name is Stepan and today I'll show you how fakeout works, why it is so great setup to use in any market. I've got this trend which is going for now maybe 4 months, and this is the channel we're moving in. As you can see, we tried to break out but we failed. We tried it again, we confirmed the level but didn't make it higher, and we failed again into the channel. And today we're going to talk about this specific moment right here, as I traded it and was one of my best trades so far. So why I opened this trade? It's really simple. It's called fakeout setup strategy. And it means that you've got a channel and you try to break it out or break down, and you have to close one candle below the previous close low. As you can see right here, we've got close and open daily candle, and now we closed below for the first time. This is kind of important. And then we closed back above the very next day. And why is it so important that we closed below and then above? That means that once you close below, it's usually a bad signal for a lot of people and they would sell out of the market. But there were some people who didn't want to sell and go lower, so they bought back in and tried to pull the price higher again, which happened right here. The best setup to usually use is when we fake down, close back above, that in the next candle we usually retest the low of the channel, but in this case we didn't. So I bought around this price right here, and as you can see, what happened next was just crazy run to the top. Now let me show you this setup right here and why it didn't work. You would say it's kind of similar, and let me explain why it worked here but not here, and why I didn't open this trade. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 touches to the low of the wedge, which is kind of a lot to be honest. And then we've got this 5th attempt to close below. As you can see right here, we fall in the first candle right here under the wedge and close back above, which is usually bullish. But what happened the very next day is that we closed another candle below this level, and this didn't work well at all. The next candle, as you can see, we tried to get above and do another pretty good looking fake out, but we didn't have enough power to stay above the wedge and failed below again. The next day is the first day that we closed above this important level right here, but it wasn't strong enough because we already had one try to hold above this level, a second try to hold above this level, but we made it for a third time and we already retested the level 4 times before. So that wasn't really clear to me, and I didn't think it had enough energy as it had before right here to be strong and go to the top of the wedge. And as you can see, we just went sideways since then. So let me explain how fakeout works once again. We've got 2 levels. We've got some candles, right? One is under the wedge. The second one closes above. It is usually good when it closes around the same level as the previous one, but it doesn't really matter. When this happens, it usually means that we would go to the top of the wedge and then usually just go back down or retest at least like a midpoint and then keep going up. Hopefully it's kind of understandable, and I hope this video was helpful for you, and see you next time guys. Bye.